This is a quick video to show you how to put shortcuts on your apps screen. So in case you didn't know, you have a waffle up here in the upper left-hand corner called Show Apps. If I click there, these are the apps that I would like quick access to. So how do I get more apps icons to show up on this screen? You first have to open up the actual either web page or the app that you would like to work on. So this is my blog. If I come over here to the three dots in the upper right hand corner, and then I scroll until I find more tools. From more tools, the second one down says shortcut. With the three dots after that, it's going to give me the option to rename it. So because my blog is called Blog EdTech Bits, I'm going to go ahead and rename, get it right, my shortcut to be called Blogger EdTech Bits. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create, and it will show me that it's going into the Chrome apps. I can close that and scroll back over. But now when I click on that particular link or the apps, the waffle, it'll show that I have put EdTech Bits hidden onto this screen. If I right click, because I've decided I no longer want to have that there, I can click Remove from Chrome, or one click and I will go right back to where I was. So that's how to add a shortcut to the apps splash screen.